Hello, this is Mackenzie. Mackenzie, are you starting kindergarten next year?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, good. So I have two books for Mackenzie to choose from, and she said that she wanted to read Unicorn Day, right? Okay. All right, so Unicorn Day, it is a fantasy, okay? Because unicorns are considered to be not real, right? Okay, even though we want them to be, don't we? What I loved about this book is that it has glitter on it, and I just thought it was going to be super fun for us to read. And what's really great about this book is that it's actually about friendship and about accepting others, even though that they are different from us, okay? Yeah. So this is what it says. It says, the most important rule of Unicorn Day is to have fun, fun, fun.
Yeah.
The unicorns are celebrating their favorite day of the year. Complete, yes, with rainbows, cupcakes, butterflies, and all sorts of joyful things. But when a non-magical partygoer is revealed, everything comes to a screeching halt. Will the unicorns continue their fun in all the glittery glory, or will Unicorn Day be ruined for good? Now, when I read this to you the first time, I want you to just look at the pictures for me, okay? Just look at the pictures while I read the book. Unicorn Day. Hooray, hooray! It's Unicorn Day. All unicorns this way. When unicorns come out to play, hey, you got to look at the book for me, sweetie, okay? Got to look at the pictures. You got me? Okay. When unicorns come out to play, they have 3 rules that they must obey. Unicorn Day rules. Rule number 1. Be proud to be a unicorn. Show off your horn. Rule number 2. Fluff up that hair. Make sure it's groomed and styled with flair. And rule number 3. Have fun, fun, fun. This rule is the most important one. All right, here we go. Right here. In the woods where tall trees sway, they sing the song of Unicorn Day. Sunshine, flowers, fairy wings, today's a day for joyful things. Nay, 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 sing and dance and play. Happy, happy Unicorn Day. They kick their hooves, they jump and cheer, and sparkly butterflies flutter near. They slide on rainbows in the air, and love to braid each other's hair. They point their horns up as they fly, and cupcakes rain down from the sky.
That's weird.
Then, after they have had a bite, it's time to have a glitter fight! Uh-oh! That's no unicorn. That's a horse. Yeah. He turns around to leave, of course. His horn's not real. It's just pretend. What would you do? What would you do if you were a unicorn and you saw a horse trying to pretend to be a unicorn?
I don't know.
You don't know. Think about it. If you were a unicorn and you saw someone trying to pretend to be a unicorn, well, how would you react to the horse? Look at him.
I would be sad.
You would what?
I would be sad. I would be sad for the unicorn.
You would be sad for the unicorn? Or for the horse or the unicorns?
horse.
You'd be sad for the horse? Who's being sad for the horse here, you think? Which unicorn is sad for the horse?
I think.
You don't know? You can't tell which one is sad? Okay. Oh, look. But they don't want to lose a friend. See? Look, they tie the horn back on his head and give the horse a hug instead. Fun, fun, fun. That rule's the most important one. What are they doing to have fun?
A party.
A party? Looks like it, huh? Oh, yeah, there is a playground. They march together, tall and proud, and soon the signs say, proud to be a unique orn. Unicorns. Have you hugged a unicorn today? Yay for Unicorn Day. Yeah, I haven't hugged a unicorn today either, Mackenzie. It says they march together, tall and proud. And soon, some more friends join the crowd. It says, today is a day for joyful things. You are a star. Clip, clip, clop. They trot along as everybody sings the song. All right, let's sing along. Cupcakes, sprinkles, cherry tarts, starlight twinkles, glowing hearts, sunshine, flowers, fairy wings. Today's a day for joyful things. Nay, 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 dance and play. Happy, happy Unicorn Day. Would you like me to read it again? No, thank you. Come here. Hold up. We got to read it again, and we got to ask some questions, okay? All right. Come on, sit up. All right. Hooray, hooray. It's Unicorn Day. All right, so I'm going to point to the words as I read them, okay? All unicorns this way. When unicorns come out to play, they have 3 rules they must obey. Do you know what obey means?
Be nice.
Be nice? Okay. Obey means you have to follow the rules, right? Yeah. So in a way it means, be nice because you have to be respectful. So these are the things that you have to do in order to be respectful on Unicorn Day. Unicorn Day rules. Rule number 1, show off your horn. Be proud to be a unicorn. Rule number 2, fluff up that hair. Which one is rule number 2? Where are they fluffing up the hair? Good. Make sure it's groomed and styled with flair. Rule number 3, have fun, fun, fun. This rule's the most important one. Which one is the one where they're doing the most important thing?
I think.
Which one shows them they're having fun, fun, fun? Good. So what's the most important rule?
To have fun.
That's right, to have fun. In the woods where tall trees sway, they sing the song of Unicorn Day. Sunshine, flowers, fairy wings. Today's a day for joyful things. Nay, 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 dance and play. Happy, happy Unicorn Day. What's something that is a joyful thing for you, Mackenzie? What do you like to do that makes you happy?
Play.
Play? What kind of play?
I like to play with my dolls.
You like to play with your dolls? Okay. They kick their hooves, they jump and cheer, and sparkly butterflies flutter near. They slide on rainbows in the air and love to braid each other's hair. Excuse you. They point their horns up and they fly. And cupcakes rain down from the sky. What was it that you said? This was silly? What did you say it was? Crazy? You wouldn't want cupcakes to fly from the sky? That'd be weird? That's what you said. Then, after they have had...
It will be spring.
Yeah, it would be. You wouldn't want cupcakes to fly from the sky, though? No. Are you following me so far?
Instead of his horn, he did a net.
Right. Yeah, this guy's catching it with his horn, and he's got a net. All right, so after the cupcakes start raining down from the sky, after they have had a bite, it's time to have
A unicorn party.
well, actually it says a glitter fight. Yeah. Now, what happens after the glitter fight? Do you remember?
The unicorn was instead of a horse.
That's right. We found out that, uh-oh, that's no unicorn. That's a horse. What does it look like knocked the horse's his pretend horn down? What were they doing just then, right before?
They were doing
A snowball fight? A glitter fight? It does look like snow, though, doesn't it? Alright, so they found out that it's a horse. He turns around to leave, of course. His horn's not real. It's just pretend.
That's a horse.
Well, but look, he's got a horn on it, right? Which makes him a unicorn. Can you point out which ones you think are the sad ones? Which one do you think is the sad one? Yeah. You know what? Yeah, those two do look sad, don't they? I think that's the reason why this one came running, huh? But they don't want to lose a friend. They tie the horn back on his head and give the horse a hug instead. Then it's back to fun, fun, fun! That rules the most important one. They march together, tall and proud, and soon some more friends join in the crowd. Clip, clip, clop, they trot along as everybody sings the song. Come here. Come on, you gotta keep reading with me. Cupcakes, sprinkles, cherry tarts. Starlight twinkles, glowing hearts. What's a glowing heart?
It's a heart that glows and it glows at night.
Oh, do you think you have a glowing heart? No? I think glowing heart means that you have a kind heart, that you want to give love to people. He's doing something. Hey, listen. Can you answer my question? Do you think that you have a glowing heart? No, you don't want to give love to people?
I did.
That's what I